Hold on, chum. I'm a waterfowl, remember? We don't burrow. Not with these webbed feet.
Okay. Just follow me and be quiet.
Hey. Where are we?
Avast, ye swabs! Fire on yon scurvy tourists!
Oops, wrong cave. Now where are we?
Ah! There's a snake on your head!
Ah! There's a snake on your head, too! Ah! Snakes everywhere!
Yeah, tell me about it.
Oh, this time I got it for sure.
Oh, no. First that blonde and now this. Oh, jeez, Alfred. Why don't you just tell the world we're down here?
See if I stand in line for your sequel.